Yo, what's up, happy people? Welcome back to the kitchen. Marky Mark back up in here. Welcome to another episode. I'm back in the kitchen. So anyway, tonight, I got a little quick, simple video going down. It's just me and my pops here tonight. My sister and ma are out Christmas shopping in Charlotte, North Carolina. So they're out having a ladies' weekend. So me and pops, we got some butcher shop tuna steaks here. Some real, either bluefin or ahi tuna. Either way, they're looking beautiful. Big old thick fatty steaks. And I'm gonna cook these, and I will do the rundown on those as well. But what I'm doing tonight also, figured it'd be a good time to make another video, is I'm gonna be doing some quick baked beans for anybody who's like, man, I want some baked beans, but I ain't got the can of beans in the cupboard. Well, all you need is I did 2 cans, but white cannelli beans, yeah. So anyway, what I'm doing, y'all saw, anybody who has tuned in has seen my previous video on my epic North Carolina barbecue sauce. So the way you make some epic baked beans, if you don't have epic baked beans in your cupboard, is you take my barbecue sauce, once you make that recipe, or any other store-bought barbecue sauce, and you add it to the beans, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, a whole bunch of barbecue sauce to your liking, and then brown sugar, and you're gonna have some awesome baked beans. And then what else I'm doing for a side is my broccoli salad that y'all, those who have tuned in, have seen before, and those who haven't, welcome to the channel. And please go ahead and go back a couple videos, watch my broccoli salad video and watch my barbecue sauce video, and that'll give you all the information on what's going on here. But anyway, the broccoli salad I already got pretty much pre-mixed in here. Mayo, sour cream, salt, pepper, garlic powder. We ran out of craisins, so I'm using regular old raisins this time. Anyway, all I gotta do is chop an onion, add it to this bad mess, and then I got my bacon mixed up. I just fried a little bit of bacon bits, and what I'm gonna do with these is I'm actually gonna take the fat out of them, drain the fat into the baked beans, and then add the barbecue, the bacon bits to the broccoli salad, and we'll be looking good. So anyway, y'all, like I said, welcome back again. Thanks for tuning in. I'm so glad to have you with me this evening. We're gonna get rocking and rolling here, and as soon as I get the onion chopped and in that broccoli salad, I'm gonna do a quick mix. I'll bring you in for a close-up on the mixing process, and then I'm gonna get these baked beans rocking, and I will see y'all in just a second. Don't go nowhere, because it's gonna get real good real fast. See you in a minute. Alright, so it's time to get these beans rocking and rolling. I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the burner. And I've drained the bacon fat into those, so all I'm doing is I'm taking my world famous Western North Carolina barbecue sauce, what's up? And I'm gonna add, I would say, at least 3 tablespoons, about that much, quarter cup-ish, 4 tablespoons. And man, that stuff is good. And then I'm gonna drop in some brown sugar, man, and I'm just gonna go with a helpful handful, and I'd say maybe a quarter cup of brown sugar as well. Now let's say, we'll say 2 tablespoons to be safe. No, sorry. And then, like I said, a little bit of garlic pea, a little extra garlic pow, and some black pepper up in there. And that's all you need for some fantastic quick mix baked beans. And like I said, these were white cannelli beans, and they're just gonna come out downright awesome. And all I'm gonna let this do is reach a boiling point, and then just drop the temp and let them simmer. And you're gonna have some awesome white baked beans. And now a good chef must taste. Do you hear me say that with a T? Anyway. Okay, so what we got going on? Oh man, yep, nailed it. Nailed it. Anyway, y'all. That is my baked cannelli bean concoction, rachar. And this is gonna be oh so good. So anyway, all I gotta do now is get chopping on an onion to add to this broccoli salad. You can see I already added my bacon bits up in ya. And add that and a little bit of honey. I'm gonna get whipping on that and we will get rocking and rolling. And I will see y'all in just a moment. Back up in here, got some chopped red onion, homegrown. Oh, let me focus. Anyway, that's dropping in the broccoli salad, which we've got here. And like I said up in here, I'm literally making like 2 big servings of this, so I had a wee bit of broccoli and pretty much equal parts tomato, sour cream, a little bit of honey, a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic powder, SPG. I like to mix it all together and call it SPG. But anyway, that's what's going on in here. We'll let this beautiful mess dance around a bit. Have a little dance party. A little love potion going on. Now we'll probably have to test this. Let me see. Looking good, tasting good. I'm gonna need just a shot more of the sour cream, I believe. I think I had enough mayo. So I'm gonna do one more shot of the cream, another tablespoon. And you know how I roll, I don't like to measure anything, so anyway. Kind of feel it out as I go. Get that little extra whipping. And I'm gonna do just a sprinkle of good old granulated sugar and we're gonna be good. And this can just chill out in the bowl until it's time to rub down on it. That's more my style. Oh, y'all have to pardon my phone. Everybody seems to want to call and text me when I'm trying to record a dang gum video. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna drop some sugar in there, a little more garlic powder, and I'll see you all in a second. Yo, people, sorry. So there's the broccoli salad, and I actually did a little mix-up. Did brown sugar, added a little more black pepper, a little more salt. Just had to get it salty and sugary and just tasty enough. And like I said, you saw me add that little bit of extra sour cream to get it to the right creaminess, but that is what I'm after. So that is good to rock and roll. We got the homemade baked beans over here, just a percolating. Kind of reducing it. I kind of save about half the bean juice out of each can, and then let it intertwingle with the brown sugar and the barbecue sauce. And you can see that every time I zoom in it goes out of focus, but you can see that looking oh so good. So anyway, guys, I'm about to prep this tuna, and now with this tuna, these nice tuna steaks, ahi tuna or any type of tuna, bluefin, yellowfin, blackfin, you do not want to over season it. And you don't want to overcook it either. You don't want to cook it on the grill because you're going to overcook it, I guarantee you. You don't want to cook it in the oven. You want to do a quick pan sear, literally like a minute on each side, salt, pepper, garlic, SPG, and pull it off, and it's going to be ready to rock. So anyway, I'm gonna let the baked beans do a little more percolating. A little love party going on over there. And we got the broccoli salad good to go. So the next time I see y'all, I'm gonna be dropping these tuna steaks on some hot cast iron. See you in a minute. Okay guys, so one thing I am doing is I am dropping these tuna steaks. Got some olive oil over here soaking in garlic cloves. That is what I'm frying them in. Anyway, that is about to be added to this pan here. And I'm gonna get these things rocking. And I'll be back at y'all with the money shot here in a minute. Don't go nowhere. It's gonna get real good, real fast. So I'm gonna show you how I like to chop the garlic anyway. To each his own. Chop however you want to chop. You can use scissors. I don't care. Anyway, you like my little fake New York accent? We're gonna split it right down the middle. Lay them on their flat side, and then cut them into 3 or 4 or 5 nice slices. Turn them sideways again, and then just I'll go over it all and just do a quick random chop like that too, because I like it. So this was the garlic that was soaking in the olive oil. I couldn't help myself. I had to add some to it. But anyway, y'all, we got the garlic good. I'm about to get that pan hot. We're gonna be rocking and rolling, and I'll catch you in just a second. All right, y'all. So it's time to season these tuna steaks. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, like I said, I'm using the garlic infused olive oil. I got the fresh garlic there, so I'm actually not gonna add much more garlic. But anyway, all you do, do not over season these bad boys. Just you lay them out. I'm over here and do some freshly ground pepper. Right, nice. Pardon the speed of my grinder. And with the salt. And you want to do the salt right before you cook it. That way it doesn't pull out too much moisture on you. We're going to put them. We're going to do the exact same thing. Healthy amount of garlic. Black pepper. Good. And nice dazzle of the salt. And like I said, we got the garlic infused olive oil in the bowl, in the pan, get it hot, and then we got this garlic right here. Next time I see all these things are going to be cracking and popping on that cast iron. Don't go nowhere. Alright y'all, so we got the garlics dancing around oh so beautifully in that oil. You can see it popping and a crackling, and that's when you know it's game time. Anyway, time to drop these tuna steaks and get this show on the road. On the road, I still will do a test. Oh yeah, that's good to go. Drop them right in there, on there. Now remember too, when you drop them into a hot cast iron skillet like that, after just 10-20 seconds, just give them a little poke. As long as you got enough oil in there, you just want to make sure they got a little space underneath to dance around so they don't stick right away. But anyway, like I said, these things are going to fry up super fast. I'm rocking my heat on pretty much full blast, and literally like a minute on each side, and they're going to be ready to go. Unless you like your tuna overcooked, and then hey, cook it as long as you want. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna let these things dance around for a bit, give them a flip, and I will catch y'all when I got all this beautiful mess plated up and ready to go. See you in a moment. And here's a cool check tip of the week, y'all. So when you're cooking tuna steaks, if you drop your garlic in the pan right when it's ready to cook, by the time your garlic is almost done, or it's almost burnt, but it's not burnt, it's nice and golden brown, that's how you know your tuna steaks are good done. They literally take no longer to cook than it does for garlic to brown. Anyway, y'all, look at them gorgeous things right there. I will see y'all in just a moment with these beautiful plates plated up and ready to go. Stay tuned. Yo, what's up, people? So here we are, final shot. Tuna steaks, broccoli salad, baked beans with my homemade barbecue sauce. Anyway, guys, I'm about to wrap this thing up. I want to thank y'all for joining me again so much. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the subs. If you haven't liked and you haven't subbed, make sure you do that. Very important. That way you can keep watching. Anyway, hope everyone has a wonderful, wonderful week. I hope everyone has had a wonderful weekend so far. Stay safe, stay healthy, and until the next episode, I will catch you guys, you know it, on the flip side. Later.